If you've rewritten your summary, fixed your first bullet, and still aren't getting interviews, this might be why. Your resume gets stronger at the top, then weaker as I read down the page. I saw it all the time. Last video, I showed you how to build a strong summary and how to build that first bullet. Now let me show you how to build bullet 2 and 3 and how it can sabotage your chances of getting that interview. One strong bullet just isn't enough. I've seen resumes where the first bullet made me lean in and the next two made me lean back. That happens more than you think. Let's go back to Michael Carter's resume. Strong summary, we built a strong first bullet, looks solid. But then bullet 2 says responsible for preparing reports and assisting supervisors with scheduling. And bullet 3 says supported management with daily operational needs. That's where the momentum starts dying. Here's what hiring managers start wondering. Was bullet 1 the only impression? Was that first line the exception? Why does the leadership disappear after the first line? That's the danger. Hiring managers read for proof, and when the proof disappears, trust usually disappears with it. One strong bullet gets attention, weak follow-up bullets create doubt. Let's fix bullet 2. Responsible for preparing reports and assisting supervisors with scheduling. Try this. Built reporting systems that improve staffing visibility across multiple shifts and help leadership make faster scheduling decisions. Now that looks changed. Built equals ownership, improved visibility equals business value, and faster decisions equal impact. Now bullet 2 adds depth. And this is what I mean when I say experienced people often undersell themselves. They did the work, but described it like support work. If this were my client, I'd probably even tighten this up a little bit more. I'd add a measurable result, something like cut scheduling delays by 12%. Now that hits even harder. Now let's fix bullet 3. Instead of supported management with daily operational needs, try this. Coached frontline supervisors through workflow changes, increasing adoption during peak demand periods. Now bullet 3 does something different. It shows leadership, it shows influence, it shows repeatable value. Now I believe the first bullet wasn't luck. Bullet 3 should confirm you, not repeat bullet 2. This is how strong resumes usually work. Summary introduces you, bullet 1 proves you, bullet 2 adds depth, and bullet 3 confirms consistency. See, role is what you led. Problem solved is what you fixed. Impact is what got better. If your bullets stop doing that, they start losing power. Now, even when people fix bullet 2 and 3, I still see another mistake constantly. All 3 bullets start sounding the same. Different wording, same message. That creates dead weight. 3 bullets should build a case, not repeat an alibi. Look at this. Bullet 1 says led daily operations across a 25-person team. Bullet 2 says manage daily reporting and team coordination. Bullet 3 oversaw scheduling and support operations. Those are different words. It's the same story, it's the same lane, and it's the same proof. Nothing new was added there. I've seen smart people with real experience do this all the time. 3 bullets, all describing one part of the job 3 different ways. Now watch the difference. Bullet 1 led daily operations across a 25-person team, reducing delays. Bullet 2 built reporting system that improved staffing visibility. And bullet 3 coached supervisors through workflow changes during a peak demand. Now every bullet adds something new. Operations, systems, and leadership. That feels bigger and it feels real. Every bullet should expand the story, not echo the last one. Now here's the easiest way to fix your next 3 bullets. Give each one a job. Just like you, the bullet needs a job. Bullet 1 should show your biggest proof. Bullet 2 is another kind of value. And bullet 3 equals consistency or leadership. If all 3 bullets are trying to do the same thing, you're wasting space. As I said, every bullet needs a job. Do this tonight. Read your first 3 bullets out loud. Then ask, did each line make me look stronger or just longer? Because longer resumes don't win, stronger resumes do. A lot of qualified people don't lose interviews because they lack experience. They lose because their best experience gets buried under weak repetition. That's fixable though. And once you understand how hiring managers read momentum, you start writing smarter. Your experience might be strong, but your presentation may be weak. And there's one more part of the resume that most people ignore after the first few bullets. And it's the bottom half. That's where bullet 4 and bullet 5 and even your dates start sending signals. Some build trust, some create doubt. In the next video, I'll show you how hiring managers really finish reading your resume. And I'll see you there, right here.